Hello everyone, welcome to the Ash channel. Today I'll show you how to fix lags and audio drops through Bluetooth audio in Windows. For this you need to access the sound settings. Click on Settings. Here, type in Sound to find sound settings. Click on More sound settings. Now select your headphones here. I'm using Fifine speakers. Click Properties and you'll see Enhancements. Click here and press the Apply button. If that doesn't help, you'll need to go to the Troubleshooting tab. Type Troubleshooting, Troubleshooting Settings, or Other Troubleshooting. Find Bluetooth and click the Run button. After this, everything should hopefully work correctly. This has been Ash. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye everyone.